Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a very fast recipe because I just realized the citrus, so it's an orange and a lemon. I dried them and I think you would say caramelized, I hope. It's the same kind of decoration I used in my lemon brownies, and few people asked me to show you how I made it, and it's super easy, it's super fast, and everybody can do it. And once you make one lemon and one orange, it will last a long time as long as you keep it away from humidity. So it's perfect to decorate a cake, dessert, whatever, or even just eat it like this. It's so good, and when you bake it, it makes your house smell amazing. So I'm just gonna show you how I made it, and I'll see you very soon with the next recipe. And one last thing, as always, if you like the video, please leave a comment and a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching and enjoy. Bye! We start making a simple syrup with a cup of water and a cup of sugar. From now on, I'm gonna write either cups or grams ingredients in the box down below so everybody can follow my recipes. So I was saying, you put the water and the sugar in a pot and let it boil for a couple of minutes, and then you turn it off. In the meantime, I'm gonna slice one orange and one lemon. I'm gonna use a mandolin because it's much easier, but you can do it with a knife. I'm gonna choose a thickness which is 4.5 centimeters, which in inches is 3/16 of an inch, I think. But you obviously can see it here in the video. I'm gonna slice the all lemon and the all orange. The thickness that I choose, I think it's perfect because it's not too thick, but once you bake it, it's gonna be the perfect thickness. You'll see it, because once it's dry, it's gonna shrink a little bit. Once you cut all the orange and the lemon, I'm gonna take a pan with parchment paper and take the syrup back. They're still warm, it doesn't have to be cold. And I'm gonna dip a slice at a time and just put it on the pan as you see here in the video. It's a very easy thing, you don't have to be perfect doing it, you just have to dip it and put it on the paper. I just use a fork so I don't get burned because the syrup is still warm. Once you dipped all the slices, you put it in the oven at 300 Fahrenheit, which is 150 Celsius, for 45 minutes. After the 45 minutes, you just turn the oven off, and you have to keep the slices to dry for at least 3 hours. I usually do it at night, and in the morning they're ready. And that's the result. They're very good. You just have to keep them in a container away from humidity, and they will stay hard and dry, and they're so good even just to eat like this, so you can decorate cakes or dessert, whatever you want. I hope you like this recipe, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye!